What's going on, my guys? It is Andrew of BDAT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. Now, in this video, we have a brand new completely free sample pack. Includes 20 original melody compositions and their stems. If you guys want to get the MIDI, just go to the link down in the description down below. That's where you guys can get the free pack at the bottom of the page. We have a special offer for you guys to get the MIDI 50% off. Also, there's an offer down there to get the AT Sound Kit 7 as an added bonus, and I think that's 50% off. So you're gonna probably need drum samples to, make your beat, and you're already gonna have samples and MIDI, so why not just add to the whole bundle? We're gonna go ahead and cook with sample and MIDI pack inspired by Juice WRLD and the Juice WRLD sound. So let's go ahead and start cooking with it. Let's go through some of the samples that are in. Okay, I kind of like Recovery. I think Recovery would be a good one. I haven't used that one. Let's go ahead and drag all of the samples from this sample composition over here. Grab all of them. Change the tempo to 154 because that's the tempo. Control A, Control B. Get rid of that because I don't need the bass line over there. Control B. Great. Now we have sort of a general layout. Let me grab this all back. Go here, Alt T, chorus, because this is actually going to be the chorus. I already know that's going to be the intro. Yeah, intro, chorus, verse. Piano. I want the piano all the way through. Guessing. You kind of see how I laid it out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some drum samples out of the AT Sound Kit 7 because we have that special deal where you guys can get half off on the MIDI and then half off the AT Sound Kit 7. So you obviously know I'm trying to sell that. Good deal. Alright, so we're going to Control A, Control L, Alt U to do that drill. So I'm just adding like a little bit of bounce, a little bit of sauce, adding some drums and just trying to spice it up, make it kind of cool. This is where the MIDI is essential. Why waste your time trying to figure out the bass notes when you literally get the bass pattern? Let's go to the AT Juice, and we're using a sample for Recovery. Boom. Control A, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Add a little bit of volume. Just like adding like a little bit of bounce, trying to add like a groove and make this unique and interesting. But you literally saw what I did with the bass line. I chopped it up and made it a little bit unique, changed some stuff around so it's following the already established bass line that this sample has, but now it has a little bit of its own sauce. I'm gonna grab some elements from this and add a second 808. Ooh. I'm gonna go for WRLD's sample pack. Pretty full sounding. We kind of just need to balance out the mix and kind of get it sauced up. Go over to the master. I have a master template already, so if you have like a certain go-to for your master, just based for the sound, nothing like too OD, like none of these settings that I got are anything that spectacular. It's just saving me a little bit of time so I don't have to worry about it later. So let's go back. I'm gonna go over and separate these drums because these drums do need to be separated. Grab all of them, drag them over here, right click, Control V, move these over here. There we go. So this sample pack's great. It's still very relevant. I don't want you guys to think that it's not, and it's free. So go ahead and go check the link down in the description down below. Why not? If you guys want to get the MIDI, the offer for half off is available at the bottom. But yeah, this is Andrew, BDAT Production and Publishing. I appreciate everyone stopping on by and watching this video and checking out the beat that we cooked up with the sample pack. Don't miss out. Go check that free sample pack out now.